Hello everybody! I was trying to think of something to film and I realized about my Halloween costume that we're going to be this year. We're just going to go as a cute little family pumpkin patch. And my mom helped me come up with that idea, so I just decided I will do a nice kind of fun pumpkin orange eye with some like green in it. And I thought that would be quite fun to film, so I decided to do it with you guys today. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in and prime my lids with a white. This is a pearlescent one, the white. Oh my gosh, that was a little bit freaky. There's like a film on top of this, and I tried to dip my brush in and it wouldn't go, and I was like freaking out. It's gonna be like a simple look. So far everything that I've pulled is drugstore, and obviously everything is cruelty free. If you are new, we are cruelty free YouTube channel over here. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is the NYX eyeshadow base in white pearl, and I'm just going to kind of put this here, and then I'm going to put an orange shadow on top of it. The orange shadow I have to use is a discontinued one from Wet n Wild, but you don't have to use that one. You can use whatever color you want, any orange from any other place that you want to use. I just couldn't find an orange that was like the orange in this palette that I wanted to use, like a nice pumpkin orange. So this is the one I chose to do for this look. So basically I'm doing the look that I'm going to do on Halloween, and then I will come and we'll do some more videos for Halloween. I'm not going to do any like gore ones. I did one last year and it didn't turn out bad, but I don't feel like doing that this year, so we're just gonna go ahead and do some nice fun colors. So today I'm gonna go in with this orange right here in this bottom of this palette. This is if you have this palette, that's great. This is called a regular at the factory, so this is quite old, so you don't have to tell me about that, but I still want to use it. It's just like the best orange that I've ever found from like drugstore. I'm gonna go ahead and build this up on the lid, and then I'll go in with some browns to kind of add in like the pumpkin color, and then we'll do some like green liner. I don't have any concealer on because I can't remember if this shadow has a lot of fallout. So far there's nothing, but so I'm thinking I'm going to take this yellow that comes in here, this kind of yellow, I'm going to run along the crease before we add some green or the brown, because there is some yellow in pumpkins, especially when it's not all the way ripe. Brand new, fresh pumpkin. Just picking this color up because it's not the most pigmented, that's why I'm not afraid to use it, but it has some sheen to it. It's not like super shimmery, but it has something there. This is just gonna help blend out that orange a little bit. I'm not taking it all the way into the crease. I'm mostly putting it here on the inner corner. Just thought I'd show you my nails. These are my Halloween nails. I am super excited to play with like purple and black and like do a really nice like dark purpley black smoky eye. I really want to do that. So this yellow is a very subtle, but I think it adds just a little bit of something to kind of make this more pumpkin-y than what we were, you know, add just a little bit of something to it. Okay, now I'm going to take this Milani Most Loved Mattes, and I'm going to go in with these two shades to start blending. I'm going to use the same brush. Well, maybe we might have to go back in with that, so we'll use a different brush. We are going to use a Morphe M200, and I'm going to go in with this light kind of tan shade here and just place that, start that in the crease. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the chocolatey brown here and place that just in the outer corner to darken the base of the crease in the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with our orange color and place a little bit more here. Look at my brush. It looks like it's been dipped in Cheeto dust. For the Cheetos. Alright, now I'm going to take, the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with that yellow and kind of try to build it up on the inner corner. It's really, really subtle yellow. It's not a really great yellow. But yellow is one of those shades that's not easy to make. So, okay, so I think we're good with the shadow as thus far. We will just leave it as that. So I'm going to go ahead and take my liner. This is the Physicians Formula Green Eyes liner, and it's like in the shade green. And I'm going to go ahead and line, and then I'm thinking I want to draw like some leaves or something, but... There's our first liner. It's like such a good green. It really just adds something to the liner, to the look. It's really good. I'm only doing this on the one side to draw like a leaf. What do pumpkin leaves look like? Maybe not a leaf, I'll just draw like a swirl. So let me just take this off because it seems like they don't have much leaves. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this, the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. I'm going to go ahead and take this shade Trickery and kind of line the liner with this shade. You have like a giant like 120 color palette. This is probably, I used to have one of those, but after so many times it just stops being the same, so I got rid of that guy. Okay, going to take a clean liner brush and dip my brush into this shade and try to perfect the swirl that we made. This is kind of hard. It's not turning out half bad. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take the orange a little bit on my lower lash line. It's not going to show up super great, but that's okay because I don't want it to be super intense. I haven't looked at the camera in a long time. I'm terrible at YouTube. Just trying to tie in the upper and lower lash line. You have to change your brush mid shadow application. Just keep on going back over it, people. Alright. Then I'm going to take the green from the Jaclyn Hill palette and do the lower lash line and connect them to the outer corner. Feeling that I kind of want to take this yellow a little bit over here to kind of lighten up this vine that we have. And that doesn't look bad, that looks good. Alright, so let me just kind of dust off some brushes because we got so many out. So I was going to apply some lashes, but I just feel like it will hide the green that we have. So I'm gonna just apply a couple coats and curl my lashes. And then we'll go and do some concealer and add some fun highlight. Alright, so I applied my mascara. This is the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. I wonder how this is actually looking because I brought my lights forward. So this is going to be interesting. Just trying to play with stuff. I've always changed stuff around kind of frequently, so bear with me. I don't know, maybe a little bit more of my worst critic, I guess. So I'm going to just take my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C1. Alright. Go ahead and set with my Laura Geller Balance and Brighten. I've really been back into this product, and Laura Geller is always on sale. You just don't hear about Laura Geller very much, and I really like them. They have some pretty awesome products. Alright, so I already have some blush on from earlier in the day. So I have two purple highlighters that I'm kind of wanting to play with. I have the Wet n Wild one, which is actually broken. Like perfectly broken. I feel like a lot of people are having issues with these breaking. Like, I think it's because of the heart and the way that they're pressed. I am not sure. So I have this one from Wet n Wild, and this is the Lace to Reality, and then this is the Milani one. It's the Hypnotic Lights in the shade Beaming Light. And maybe I'll just take a little bit of both, maybe. Just for funs. Hello?
Hey.
Hey.
Oh shit. There's Ryan. I gotta call you back.
Okay, fine. So I'm just gonna take this. Try to build it up on my brush, but I'm like making the product move. It's not working out very well. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. This is also the time of year you can cheat, but that looks really pretty. So just roll into here. It's like super uber broken. I mean, it's probably not the worst broken, but it's pretty broken. Alright, now I'm going to apply a little bit of this one because I think it might diffuse the color just a bit. I'm not necessarily mad at that color, but kind of just want to add some more because I'm just feeling it. And then I'm going to add a little bit of this shade on my brow bone. Well, it's funny because you don't look at it, you can't even tell, and then it's like, Shazal! It's really cool. Alright, so let's pick a lip, and I think I'm just gonna go nice and natural, keeping it simple with this, and I'm gonna just take this one out. This isn't what I want to take. Nope. Actually, I'm just gonna take this. This is orange. This is my e.l.f. one of the hydrating lip tints. And this is the orange one, but it doesn't come off super orange, so it just kind of looks like we're applying orange lipstick, but we're not. Alright, so that is my first Halloween tutorial, just kind of Halloween inspired, so it would be really fun. This could be really useful if you like have an office job and you really just can't think of something to do. Just office appropriate makeup. I mean, you don't even have to do the swirly at the side, you can just do the liner and the orange and such. And that would be like your pumpkin inspired makeup for work. And you don't have to do even the purple glowy alien highlighter, but I just thought that was so fun. So if you guys did like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you already haven't. And yeah, I don't really know what to say. I've been filming so long. 2 videos in a row. I'm on a roll. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.